My name is Gangudri. I am studying in 9th class at PHS Mila School, Rajal Mandal District, Nizamabad State, Telangana State.
My name is Kirtan.
Title of this project: Blind Stick. Introduction. Thus, the blind stick is an innovation assistive device designed for blind people. I for designed for blind people. Designed for blind people. It use ultrasonic sensor to detect 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 obstacles and alert the user through buzzer buzzer.
Arduino
Arduino board.
board, buzzer, battery, ultra, ultrasonic sensor, blind stick. Working principle: the ultrasonic sensor emits by frequency second waves and measures the times taken for the waves to bounce by from obstacles.
Obstacle features: obstacle detection and alert system, object sensitivity, range, full and battery powered, easy easy to use interface, com- compact lightweight design. Thank you.